Based on recent evaluations and Amazon bestseller data, here are the top 3 vacuum cleaners currently on the market. Product links can be found in the description, in the pinned top comment, and in the on-screen links. As an Amazon associate, we may earn from qualifying purchases. The Shark Stratos Upright Vacuum Cleaner AX3002. The Shark Stratos excels with powerful suction across hardwood, carpet, and low-pile rugs, making it versatile for various floor types. Its sealed HEPA filtration captures 99.97% of 0.3 micron particles, ideal for allergy sufferers and pet owners. The DuoClean roller and active hair removal system prevent pet hair clogs, and the powered lift-away feature detaches the canister for portable cleaning of stairs and upholstery. It includes attachments like an upholstery nozzle, crevice tool, and pet power brush. Testers praise its floor detect and edge detect technologies, which auto-adjust suction and brushroll speed for optimal cleaning. It's relatively quiet at 72 dB and has a large 0.5-gallon dustbin. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Vacuum 3198A. This budget-friendly upright vacuum delivers exceptional value, scoring a perfect 100 in deep clean tests on carpets and hard floors. Its 2-axis swivel steering enhances maneuverability, making it easy to navigate around furniture. The 1.3-liter dustbin is larger than many in its price range, reducing emptying frequency. It includes a powered pet tool, crevice tool, and suction blockage indicator, ideal for pet owners tackling hair and debris. It's a standout for affordability without sacrificing performance on low to mid-pile carpets and bare floors. Lightweight at 14.5 pounds, it's easy to carry upstairs. Washable filters eliminate recurring costs. Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, LVAC 200. This lightweight, 3.2 pounds, cordless stick vacuum offers impressive suction for its price, handling pet hair, crumbs, and debris on hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its tangle-resistant brush roll and LED headlights make it easy to spot and clean messes. The 1.3-liter dustbin is spacious for a stick vacuum, and the detachable battery provides up to 50 minutes of runtime, 45 minutes in testing. Sufficient for small to medium homes. It converts to a handheld for stairs and upholstery with a 2-in-1 crevice and pet tool included. The washable filter and low maintenance costs add value, and its compact design suits small spaces. Summary: the Shark Stratos AX3002 is the top pick for its powerful, versatile performance and HEPA filtration. The Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet 3198A offers unmatched value for budget-conscious buyers, excelling on most floors but lacking advanced filtration. The Levoit LVAC 200 is ideal for lightweight, cordless convenience in smaller spaces, but it's less durable and underpowered for thick carpets. All are highly rated on Amazon. Always check for sales as prices fluctuate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more lists and amazing products.